we're going to need some toothpicks, strawberries, dark chocolate and white chocolate. Melt your white chocolate in a microwave until it's nice and liquid. Place a toothpick into each strawberry so we can dip them into white chocolate, just a little bit, just like that. Take your strawberry, dip into white chocolate, move it around, and take as much white chocolate as you can, because that's going to be our ghost. Melt your dark chocolate as well, and I'm using disposable plastic bags, so we're just going to put the mixture in here. So I've just taken my strawberries from the freeze and they're nice and set, so we're just going to make a tiny hole with our dark chocolate and draw our eyes. You can also do an open mouth. Just move it around, just like that.